Hello everybody, my name is Susanna Mulliken and today we're going to cover Docker for beginners. Who am I? I am a software and DevOps engineer in Tampa, Florida. I have worked for different organizations such as the DoD, DOA, NSF, the VA system, Los Alamos, New Mexico Laboratory, the FBI, and NASA, to name a few. Who should learn this information? This course will be good for beginners, especially if you haven't got yet your first junior or associate position as an engineer or as a business analyst. If you're a developer or in DevOps, you're a software engineer that wants to learn containers and Docker, you're a QA tester, or someone that wants to learn about Docker from the beginning with no prior experience. We will teach you some background or understanding of some things like the PowerShell, GitBash, Git Hub, and virtual machines. This will be useful and helpful if you already have it, but if not, no worry. I will try to explain to you as we go along. What will you learn in this video? You will understand what Docker is, understand why it's important and how it's used, learn how to build containers, learn about containerization, and learn how to deploy your applications. This video and program is going to be in modules. You might be accessing this video course through either YouTube or udemy.com. The modules are going to be divided in the following manner. Each module is going to introduce a different topic about Docker. And like I said, you don't have to have any prior experience. However, as we go along, it might be useful, like we said, to have some experience on GitHub or Git, GitBash, PowerShell, or at least know how to use the CLI and other things. Module 1 and 2 are going to cover an introduction to Docker. Module 3, how to install Docker and the different versions in Windows and Linux. Module 4 and 5 and 6. In those modules, we're going to dive into the client. We're going to explain what is a container and what is an image, why they are there, how to work with them, and of course, we're going to be doing all this with hands-on. So you're going to follow in labs and exercises and doing them with me so you can learn different aspects and commands of Docker. This is the first beginner course on Docker. So once past module 6, like module 7, that will be covered on part 2 Docker intermediate video or course. Just to get started, so you have a little bit of information about Docker. Docker was introduced and created by Solomon Hykes, which is the founder and CEO of .cloud. It was introduced at the Python Developers Conference in Santa Clara, California on March 15th of 2013. The project was immediately open source and available in GitHub. Don't worry, if you don't know what GitHub is, we're gonna go and cover that too. Docker's promise is a tool that promises to easily encapsulate a process of creating a distributable artifact for any application, deploying it to scale into any environment, and streamlining the workflow of Agile software organizations and teams. In the next module, we're going to cover what is a container, and we're going to talk more about Docker. I hope that you enjoyed the introduction, and I see you in the next module. Thank you.